Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Being a Muslim, we should always start our day and every work with the name of Almighty Allah. So don't forget to recite it. Assalamu alaikum, dear educarians. I hope all of you are at the best of your health. I warmly welcome all of you to the online support system arranged by the educators. Today is your first lesson of English and our topic is seasons. Let's get started. Here we have some learning objectives of this lesson. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to know about 4 seasons and you'll be able to read new words and their meanings. Dear students, you require some material for your lesson. Make sure you have these things with you like lead pencil, eraser, sharpener, highlighter and resource pack. Dear students, whenever you are about to write anything, make sure to sharpen your pencil with a fine sharpener. Our topic of lesson number 1 is what are seasons on page number 7 and 8. Dear students, do you even know what are seasons and how we get seasons? Seasons are the result of the tilt of the Earth's axis. This tilting is what gives us the 4 seasons of the year. So basically, the movement of the Earth on its one side around the sun gives us the 4 seasons like spring, summer, autumn and winter. Let me introduce you to the 4 seasons. Spring is one of the 4 seasons. It's all about freshness and colors. New flowers bloom in this season. Summer is the hottest of the 4 seasons. The days are longer than the nights. We wear lightweight clothes and drink cold water. Autumn is also known as fall season because leaves fall from the trees at that time. Winter is the coldest season of the year. It occurs after autumn season and before spring season. The days are shorter than the nights and we wear warm clothes in this season. Open page number 7 of your English resource pack. First of all, write day, today's task and date on the top. Here we have the pictures of 4 seasons of year on page number 7. As I have briefly described all the seasons in the previous slide. Move on to the page number 8. Write today's task on the top. Dear student, I am going to start reading it. What are seasons? Read the following information about seasons and answer the questions. The 4 seasons are called summer, autumn, winter and spring. In most places, the change of seasons brings changes in the weather and the temperature. We get seasons because of how the earth goes around the sun. As I have already told you that the movement of earth on its one side around the sun gives us the seasons. Sometimes we are closer to the sun and sometimes we are further. Sometimes the earth tilts towards the sun and other times away. Let's read summer season. In summer season, the weather is hot and sunny. People wear t-shirts, shorts, sunglasses and drink cold water and beverages to reduce their thirst. Whenever you feel thirsty in the summer season, you always drink cold water or chilled beverages to reduce your thirst. The days are long and people like to visit parks in the evening. Children have long summer vacation and many visit northern areas to enjoy with their families. As you know that whenever you got your summer vacation, most of you visit northern areas to enjoy with your families and to enjoy the weather over there. Fruit grows on trees and plants, and animals grow bigger and stronger. This season starts in May and ends in September. Dear students, I have underlined few words. You have to highlight the same words in the paragraph. Next we have fall season. Fall or autumn is the season that comes after summer when leaves change colors and fall off from the trees. It means in autumn season the old leaves change their color and get dry, and then they fall off from the trees. It's also the season when the days get shorter and colder and everything turns brown and dull. In fall season, the days get shorter and colder. Autumn is a time when most animals look for food or they find for food so they can store up for winter. This season remains in the month of October. Farmers harvest crops in this season. Harvest means farmers cut their crops in this season. So students, as you can see few underlined words in this slide, you have to highlight these words as well. So here we have the dictation words. Students, you have highlighted these words on page number 8. I'm going to read these words for you. If you find any difficulty reading these words, you can repeat after me. Weather, sunglasses, beverages, thirst, vacation, northern, stronger, leaves, colors, shorter, colder, and harvest. Task to do: learn dictation words and write all the dictation words in your English notebook. That's all for the day. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.